Hi guys, so I'm here at a small pump track in Bricketwood in St Albans, or just outside of St Albans. So I'm just having a little bit of a pump track day. Nothing amazing, but it's nice to have a little small one to practice on. I'm on the Nosfet Aero. Just gone round a few times, trying doing backward riding, but I don't think I need a lower fence I can just hold on to. There's not really anything I can use here for that, so I might go somewhere else and try and do that, and then go for a little ride. So maybe go for a little ride along the Auburn Way that I usually do. It's autumn, so it's looking quite nice, so maybe we'll do that next. So we went riding here the other night, and scene of the crime doesn't do it justice. That is about a 7 or 8 foot drop where my mate's unicycle went off, and we recovered him and everything. He's fine, the wheel's fine, but he lost his light. Steve, I've got your light. We're all good. Mission accomplished. Give it to you next time I see you.